Niantic has been a pioneer in producing extremely fun augmented reality games, and the new Monster Hunter Now is no exception. The newest augmented reality game in town is filled with rare monsters and epic battles. The most welcomed is the Monster Hunter Now spoof fake GPS joystick on iOS and Android, which lets you unlock all weapons. And the best Monster Hunter Now joystick iOS/Android is Ultphone iOS Location Changer, which can let you move in Monster Hunter Now with a joystick without actually going outside. So without wasting much time, let's get into the specifics. Follow me to install and open it on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your PC. Here are the 4 functions. Feature 1, change location. Feature 2, single spot movement. Feature 3, multi-spot movement. Feature 4, joystick movement. These features allow you to play the game smoothly. Here let's use change location and joystick movement features for Monster Hunter Now. Change location. In the first function, you can change your real-time location to anywhere. You can select any location you want to change on the map, or enter the place you want to go in the search box, and then click Start to modify. Wow, just like this. This feature can take you anywhere you want to go. Joystick movement. Here is an introduction to one of the most commonly used functions in the game, joystick movement. You can see your location on the map and zoom in and out to observe. Here you can drag the slider to adjust the movement speed. And then you can see the joystick controller. Just click it to move. It should be noted that the moving speed should not be too fast, otherwise you will easily be warned. If you want to return to the real location, just click the icon on the lower right or restart the device. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.